How to get a business loan from banks, a step-by-step guide. Getting a business loan from a bank can provide crucial financing to support your business growth, expansion, or other financial needs. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of obtaining a business loan from banks. Step 1. Assess your business's financial position. Before approaching a bank for a loan, it's essential to evaluate your business's financial health. Step 2. Determine the purpose of your loan. Knowing the specific purpose will help you identify the most suitable loan options and lenders. Step 3. Research banks and loan options. Conduct thorough research to identify banks that offer business loans and understand their loan products. Step 4. Prepare your loan application. Ensure that all documents are accurate, organized, and up to date. Step 5. Improve your creditworthiness. Pay bills on time, reduce existing debt, and maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio to improve your credit score. Step 6. Develop a strong business plan. A well-crafted business plan can greatly increase your chances of securing a bank loan. Step 7. Prepare a loan proposal. Provide details on your repayment plan, including projected cash flows, collateral, and any additional sources of repayment. Step 8. Establish a relationship with the bank. Building a relationship with the bank before applying for a loan can significantly improve your chances of approval. Step 9. Submit your loan application. Double-check your application for accuracy and completeness. Step 10. Be prepared for the bank's evaluation. Make sure you provide any additional information or answer any questions during this evaluation process. Step 11. Negotiate loan terms. If necessary, negotiate with the bank to secure more favorable terms that align with your business's needs. Step 12. Accept the loan offer and fulfill the requirements. Once you are satisfied with the loan offer, accept it by signing the necessary documents. Step 13. Fulfill any requirements set by the bank, such as providing additional documents or collateral. By following this step-by-step guide, you can increase your chances of getting a business loan that meets your financial needs. Remember to assess your financial position, develop a strong business plan, and establish a relationship with the bank. Please like and subscribe, click the bell icon to get new video updates and leave your comments below.